Hi there, Stan the Annuity Man, America's annuity agent, licensed in all 50 states, wearing the Stanifesto shirt. You're saying, what's that, Stan? That's my first book I wrote. It's called the Annuity Stanifesto, like manifesto, but Stanifesto. It's like the rules I have in my office in Las Vegas. They're standatory. They're standatory rules. Today, we are talking about annuity suitability. What is annuity suitability? Why is it important? How does it affect things? It's actually a really good question. Did I ask that, producer? I don't think I did. I think it was someone else. Regardless, we're going to talk about it. All right, so what is annuity suitability? I guess the short answer, in plain, easy to understand North Carolina English, which is where I'm from, is when you apply for an annuity, let's just say you go through the process with us, you go to my site at theannuityman.com, you run quotes, you schedule a call, we talk to you, we explain everything, the good, the bad, the limitations, the benefits, and you make a decision that this actually fits for you, okay? So what you're gonna do is we're gonna schedule a call with my application team. They're gonna take you across the finish line from start to finish. But part of that process is what's called annuity suitability. And it's making sure, the annuity companies are making sure that you're not putting too much money into annuities. I know what you're saying. Wait a minute, Stan. I thought the annuity industry was full of evil, mean, sociopath people. I've met those people, but it's not everything. And the rules are very stringent, okay? So annuity suitability, they want to know your net worth, your income, kind of your 30,000-foot investment picture. They want to know the percentage of this annuity purchase in addition to other annuity purchases and make sure you're not putting too much money into annuities. I know what you're saying. That can't be true, Stan. Don't they just want all the money? Well, no, because annuities aren't for everybody, okay? You either need the transfer risk for principal protection, income for life, legacy, and long-term care, or you do not. We'll tell you when you do not. But the companies want to know your financial information, which, by the way, is 100% confidential. We do not share, sell, keep, any of that. That's for the annuity suitability department at the carrier that you chose, carrier meaning annuity company, to make sure that it's in your best interest to move forward with the annuity. That's annuity suitability. Now, you're saying, if you're one of those people out there, and I got a call the other day, guy goes, I said, well, tell me about your annuities. He goes, well, I got all my money's in annuities. I said, how's that even possible? It's like, legally, I'm not sure that's possible. But here's how it's possible. If Johnny Appleseed, annuity agent, local guy, fills out your application, they can fudge the numbers. Now, just a side note, that's a misdemeanor and could be a felony. Just a side note. But let's just say they do that. Okay, let's just say you have $500,000 to your name in your IRA, and they put your investable net worth, and investable net worth means not your house, not your car, and not your guitar. Okay, it's investable net worth, liquid net worth, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, CDs, whatever. So let's say Johnny Appleseed put down that number is $1 million, and you're going to buy $500,000 worth of annuities, even though $500,000 is all you have. Well, the annuity company, all they have is the paper. They're looking at what has been filled out. So what I'm saying is, if someone has oversold you annuities, then you have an argument legally against that person, because it's like fictitiously filling in a mortgage application. Unless you're a politician, you can't get away with that. Okay? Can we nod our heads on that one? If you're a politician, you can do what you want. But the point is, that's what annuity suitability is for. It's also for the solution. Like, you'll have to tell my application team, what are you trying to solve for? Lifetime income, great. Principal protection, great. The annuity company has to verify that. So annuity suitability. If you have a brokerage firm, or you have had to fill out those things before, okay? But the life insurance industry, life insurance companies issue annuities. It's very stringent and it's very strict, okay? And we take this part of it very serious, very serious. There are times that even the ratio works, like the percentage ratio. We send it to the company and the company still declines it. For whatever reason, it's their discretion. We have to accept that. So let's just say it's 62% of your portfolio instead of 50. They might say, no, we don't want to do that. Okay, that's fine. Bottom line is the annuity suitability part of the business that I dominate is for you, is to protect you. It's not for us. It's not for us to get information and segment information. It's not. It's not that at all. I had a call the other day. Now, this is a good story. I had a call the other day, and one of my, we call them Policy Delivery and Application Team, PDATs. And one of the PDATs called me and said, Stan the Annuity Man, America's Annuity Agent, licensed in all 50 states, because they have to do that too. And they said, this gentleman doesn't want to give his information, doesn't understand why he needs to give all this financial information just to buy an annuity. So I said, put him on the line, put him on the line. So we talk about it. I was like, listen, this is to protect you. We're not coming after you. This is actually for your protection. So, I told him, I said, on your net worth, you don't have to go 1,213,048. So you just give us the broad stroke to make sure that this is a suitable move for you. Because annuities aren't investments, they're contracts. But the life insurance company takes it serious when they look at that. What are you trying to do? What's the proportion? What's the ratio to your investments that you have? And they don't want you to go all in. And don't allow anyone to take your whole 401k and go all in if that's all the money you have in the world is the 401k. There's some really good people in the annuity industry. There's some complete hoo-haws in the annuity. I don't know what a hoo-ha is, but it's better than what I was getting ready to say. But the suitability part of it is to weed out the hoo-haws. They still can be nefarious if they want to, but they're putting their patooski on the line for that one. Okay, and they might spend time in jail if they fictitiously fill out your application. So just remember that, all right? And remember that when you go through the process with my PDAT team, that they're going to ask you questions, but they're confidential. We don't share, we don't keep any of that information. We just send it to the insurance company for them to approve. All right, so that is annuity suitability. It's important, it's a pain. I hate when people ask me stuff like that, but it's just part of the business, but it's there to protect you. Do me one favor. Above me, click that link, and it tells a story about the Annuity Man, the company, how it happened. Spoiler alert, you would think that I had this epiphany business moment that, hey, let's sell annuities direct to all 50 states. No, I hurt my back. That's one of those business moments. I hurt my back, was laying on the ground and going, well, I still got to sell annuities because my daughters are going to big private schools, and so I got to pay for it. So the point is, it's a great story. You might want to listen to it. Please, give us a shot. At least go to the site, theannuityman.com. Hit the subscribe button if you want to. If you don't, that's fine too. We've done thousands of videos, and as long as I'm breathing, I have committed myself to flooding the zone with facts in the annuity industry. I'm going to suffocate the hoo-haws out there. All right? My name is Stan the Annuity Man. See you next time.